Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about how to retrieve commandlets using getCommand commandlet and using a keyword. We used a keyword called service to retrieve commandlets which contain that specific word. And we further trimmed down the keyword using hyphen service. And when we issue the getCommand commandlet with that trimmed down keyword, it returned very less values. And finally, we are able to find the commandlet that we are looking for. So now in this video, I wanted to show you what are other ways available to retrieve the commandlets. So when we issue the command, get command with the keyword service, it has actually retrieved all the commandlets which contain service as the word either in the beginning or in the middle or anywhere. So there are about 582 commandlets. If you observe on the right hand side, there is a fourth column which contains some information like az.storage or az.network, Azure rm.compute, something like that. So this is called as source of the commandlet, in other words, module of the commandlet. So using this module information also, we can retrieve the commandlets. Whatever you are looking at right now are the commandlets coming from the Azure modules because I have installed PowerShell module for Azure in my machine. So all the modules related to Azure has been installed and all the commandlets are getting displayed here. So for this example, I wanted to use Microsoft PowerShell management module for the retrieval of the commandlets. So I'm specifically looking for this. So let's go ahead and issue the command. Hyphen module is the parameter and the module name. By pressing enter, you can see all the commandlets from that specific module, Microsoft.PowerShell.management. You can see all the get service, set service, all the commandlets here. Likewise, we can use the module information. For example, if you want to look at Azure related commandlets, az.compute. I wanted to use this module as the source. So get command hyphen module and the module name is az.compute. If I issue, it will only search through the commandlets coming from the az.compute. If the module is not installed properly or if it is corrupted, you will receive an error saying that module was not installed properly, and also you may receive runtime errors while executing the scripts. So this is how you can actually retrieve using module information. There is one more way of retrieving the commandlets using get hyphen command commandlet, which is using the parameter name. So what is a parameter and the further information about that I will discuss in the next videos. But a brief information about the parameter is it's an input to the command. Like in the earlier command, we gave module name as the input. So here module as the parameter for the get command. So likewise, this commandlet has parameter name as parameter, using which you can actually find commandlets which has a specific parameter name. For example, before executing this command, let me show you some help for different commandlets. Get help for get service command. Let's see that. If you see here, this particular command has computer name as the parameter. In the same way, if we issue the command, if you issue help command for get process command, this command has also computer name as the parameter. So the third way is using the parameter name, I want to retrieve the commandlets. So if I issue the command like this, get command searches through all the commandlets which has this specific parameter. computer name. So far we saw get process has the computer name parameter, get service has the computer parameter. If you want to observe any other commandlet, whether it has computer name as the parameter or not, let's go ahead and test this command. Let's check the help for this command so you'll get an idea. Get help test connection. It should have computer name as the parameter. So by giving this command, you can search through the commandlets which has a specific parameter name, right? So whatever the list of commands displayed here, all of them have computer name as the parameter. So these are the two ways um, besides keyword. Of course, you can actually merge keyword along with parameter name or module name so that you can further filter down the commandlets you're looking for. If you get used to the get command commandlet, PowerShell will be very easy for you. And also, uh, alongside of the get command, you should also have good expertise using get help command so that you shouldn't depend on anybody for PowerShell help. You can write advanced scripts, advanced functions inside PowerShell using the built-in commandlets and built-in help. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.